Let's start with a simple walkthrough of the app. This is the home screen. Across the whole app, I follow and try to abide by the Apple design guidelines by following a consistent color palette and using the cards layout which is followed across all Apple applications. Let's start by simply searching for a simple word, like example. As you can see, when I clicked on the text input, the view went up by using the keyboard avoiding view. And to make it more mobile friendly, the users not necessarily have to click on the search icon, they can simply click on the return key on the keyboard as well. So when I clicked on the example, it retrieved the meanings, the examples, the synonyms for the same word example from the Words API. In the top bar, I have used the Expose Speech API to perform text to speech on the word.
Example.
As you can see, it pronounced the word example for us. By using the React Native Snap Carousel and the pagination component from the same library, I am able to design a slider which will slide through all the meanings for the given word. Similarly, I'm doing for examples. To use the Expose Speech API in a more better way as well, I'm on long press on any one of these meanings or examples. It will also pronounce those text for us.
An item of information that is typical of a class or group.
If I now long press on this example,
They decided to make an example of him.
for synonyms, this follows a beautiful pill-like design. If I click on any one of these pills, it will retrieve the meanings and the examples and the synonyms for that word from the Words API again. It just refreshes the same page. And similarly, if I long press on this,
Another instance occurred yesterday.
as it had no other examples, it has no slider and pagination. So I'm handling that condition as well. Now if we go to the click to view translations, it will open a modal, which is like an overlay on top of the main screen. It will select a drop down. I use the React Native use drop down library for this. If I click on, let's start with my mother tongue, it will retrieve the translation for the word in the language that you selected. Example, in Marathi, it's spelled as Udaharan. If I click on any other language, let's say German, it will retrieve the word in German for that word. So this is how the app looks like for a result that actually the Words API had. Let's try with a word that does not exist. Let's say for my name, it's not found because it's not in the words dictionary. So I'm handing an error screen with 404 not found icon. That's all. Thank you very much for the walkthrough. I hope you enjoyed it.